about this brand that I've been using for skincare, and I am absolutely amazed with the results. I've seen a night and day difference on my skin, so that's why I want to share it with you, because maybe it can help somebody else. Just like a backstory, I want to tell you that I've struggled with acne ever since I was very young, like my teenage years. Even on my adulthood, I would still break out now and then, and I had some like discoloration and texture on my skin. I have so many treatments done on my skin, like PRP, microdermabrasion, I think it's called, chemical peels. I've seen countless doctors. I was even on Accutane. So it's been a journey, and I've tried so many products, and I can say that no product has helped me as much as these ones have. And one of the best things about them is that they are so affordable compared to other more like luxurious brands that might offer you the same ingredients, but they are like very, very pricey. So one of the reasons this brand is so affordable is that they don't spend a lot of money in like luxurious packages. They have like a very basic, but you know, okay, look. It is nothing fancy. The box and the bottles, they're all the same basically. So they don't spend a lot of money on packaging, and also they don't spend a lot of money in advertising. They go on the person-to-person advertisement. So that's how they do their advertisement. They don't have to pay a lot of money on advertisement, because people just talks about it, and that's how they can be so affordable. It's not because they don't work. So this brand is called the Orndinary. I'm sure a lot of people has heard about it. I hadn't heard about it until like 4 months ago. So one of the things about this brand is they don't have any like fancy or common names like Skin Booster or something like that. The names of their products is the active ingredient. So you have to do some research, or you have to know what ingredient does what, and when to use it, how many times, and so on and so on. I didn't know anything about any of this, so I had to do my research, but the good thing is that on their webpage they have all the information that you have to know. Today I'm going to give you a little explanation about each of the products I use and what they do on your skin. And I have my information here on my phone because I got it from the webpage. So I'm going to start off with this. It's a toner, and toners, we use them after we cleanse or wash our face. You use this on a cotton pad, or you can just put it on your hand and tap it on your skin. This one is Glycolic Acid 7%. And what this does is an exfoliant. It helps shed dead skin cells and reveal the newer, brighter layers underneath by acting on the outermost layer of the skin, and by stimulating collagen production, so it helps your skin feel firmer, and it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. So you are going to notice that pretty much all of the products that I'm going to mention are for like anti-aging. But yes, this one is very good toner. I'm almost done with it, and it might sting a little on your skin if you have sensitive skin, or if you're not used to putting acids on your skin. But it's not so bad, and after a couple days you're going to get used to it. So that's the first one. The second one is lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. I think this is one of the most important serums that we have to put on our face, like everybody. Lactic acid and hyaluronic acid are so known for their skin benefits. So what lactic acid does is it brightens, smooths, and evens skin while also making it look firmer. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and also dark spots. Now, the hyaluronic acid is well known for its skin benefits, especially alleviating dry skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and speeding up wound healing. So this one is so good for even out our skin tone, also helping with dark spots, scars, sun damage, wrinkles, fine lines, and it also helps hydrate our skin and accelerate the process of healing. If we have a pimple or anything else going on our skin, this really helps a lot. Now this one is at 5%. As I told you before, this is an acid. So if you have sensitive skin or if you're not used to any acids on your skin, if this is your first time, I recommend getting the 5%, which is this one. Because if you get the 10%, which they also have, it might be too aggressive for you at the beginning. So it's better if you train your skin first with the 5%, finish the bottle, and then you upgrade to the 10%. This might sting a little bit the first couple times you wear it, but it's nothing that you cannot bear. It's not going to burn, it's not going to hurt. It's just like a tingly sensation that you might get. But after a couple days, it's going to be completely gone. And this is a great product for the skin. The best thing that you can pair this is with retinoid. Retinoid comes from vitamin A, and this is so good for skin, and it's known to have lots of benefits for our skin. So I'm going to tell you what this does. It says here that it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, as I told you before, by increasing the production of collagen. They also stimulate the production of new blood vessels on the skin, which improves skin color. Additional benefits include fading age spots and softening rough patches on the skin. So this is going to give you a more even skin tone. Sometimes we have some pigmentation, some spots, scars, and so on. So this is going to help fade those and give you a smoother, even skin tone. And it's so good. I cannot recommend it enough. Retinoid, everybody should use it, and they have several options that you can choose from on the website. Next thing I want to recommend is this vitamin C oil or serum. I never knew about the benefits of vitamin C oil, but once I tried it on my skin, I was in love on how it felt and how it made my skin look. So this is a great vitamin C oil. They also have other options of different types of vitamin C depending on your skin type and so on. So this is the one I have, but they all have kind of the same properties. So vitamin C is a natural antioxidant, meaning it protects the skin cells from damaging from free radicals caused by UV exposure. We all know how damaging the sun can be on our skin, so this helps to protect our skin from sun damage. It also inhibits melanin production in the skin, which helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and brown spots, even out skin tone, and enhance skin radiance. So this is one of the things I want to say about this product. This is going to make your skin glow, but not an oily kind of glow. It's like a radiance of healthy skin. I absolutely love that about this because sometimes I don't even have to put highlighter on my skin because my skin is naturally glowing. And also, one thing it doesn't say here, I feel like this hydrates my skin so much, but not in a heavy way, but in a refreshing way. And it's so good. So I use this every morning right before I put my sunscreen and my makeup. And it's a great addition to your skincare routine. Next product I want to talk to you about is this one. This is niacinamide and zinc. I didn't know about the existence of niacinamide, but once I did some research, I discovered this is a great serum if you struggle with acne or if you have oily skin. So the benefits of this are absolutely amazing. I feel like this is the thing that has been preventing my skin from breaking out because it's not producing that much oil anymore. It's just producing the amount it should. So this is my lifesaver. I absolutely love this product, and I'm going to tell you what the website says about it. Niacinamide supports the skin barrier, increases its resiliency, and improves texture by making pores look smaller. Just that, it's like awesome. It totally made my pores smaller, and this is another thing. When your pores are closed, that prevents for anything from the outside getting into your pore and getting infected, and then you get a breakout and so on. So it not only gives you a smoother texture because your pores are closed, but it also prevents you from breaking out. So it also helps balance oil production, which is the key of this product. Then we also have zinc in it. Zinc has anti-inflammatory effects. Zinc is especially beneficial for inflammatory acne and related scarring. So as I told you, this is a product perfect for people who struggles with acne, but also for people who struggles with oily skin. This is going to balance out your oil production, and believe me, it's a night and day difference. I highly recommend this product. The next product I want to talk to you about is this, which is a mask. This is not a serum, this is a mask that you have to wash off after 10 minutes. I am not going to attempt to pronounce this ingredients. I'm just going to spell it as it is. It's AHA and BHA. These are two acids that come from fruits. As I told you, acids can be a little, rough for people that is not used to them or have sensitive skin. This specifically is super strong. That is why you just have to wear it once a week for only 10 minutes. I encourage you to try it on your skin first and see how it reacts before putting it on your face, because some people can be very sensitive to this. It's very strong. And if you cannot bear it for the whole 10 minutes, you can maybe do 5 or as long as you can take it. To me, even though I am used to acids and peelings and all those treatments on my face, it did sting a little bit just for like the first 10 seconds, but then after that it goes away. So I just apply it on my skin once a week for 10 minutes, then you rinse your face. You have to do this during nighttime when you are not going to have any sun exposure whatsoever. And the following day you should apply sunscreen, because this is an acid peeling your skin. So you are going to get new skin after you remove this, which is going to be sensitive and vulnerable. So you have to take extra care of it. This is going to end up making your skin so smooth you have no idea, like baby skin. So let's read what it says the benefits are. AHA is an acid made from sugary fruits. They help peel away the surface of your skin so that new, more evenly pigmented skin cells might generate and take their place. After use, you'll likely notice that your skin is smoother to the touch. I can testify that. Then we have the BHA. This one can get deeper into the pores to remove dead skin cells and excess sebum. BHAs are primarily used for acne and sun damage. This product goes deep into your hair follicles to dry out excess oils and dead skin cells to unclog your pores. It sounds amazing. It's like a detox for your skin, and also it removes the dead cells and your damaged skin, and it brings out a new skin layer, so soft and so much more even. So this is a great product. But as I told you before, when you use that and when you use retinoids and acids, you always have to protect your skin from the sun. So this line also has sunscreen. So this one is a mineral UV filter SPF 30. They have a new SPF 50 coming soon. Not yet, but I'm excited for that one. But what I liked about this one is that it has minerals in it. and it's like an extra boost, an extra ingredient that you put on your skin, and your skin's gonna feed off of those minerals, and they're so good for your skin. What I like about this sunscreen is even though the bottle is not the biggest one, a little goes a long way, and it's not heavy on the skin, it's not oily, and it absorbs super quickly, and it feels super light. You don't even feel it at all. So this is a great sunscreen. And then last but not least, we have the moisturizing cream. So this is an even tinier bottle, but I'm telling you, like, a little truly goes a long way. I had this for like about 4 months, and I'm about halfway there. So it's very good. This one also has hyaluronic acid on it, which I told you before, it helps to lock that moisture and leave it on your skin. So if you have dry skin, or if you only want to have like a continuously hydrated skin, this is great. It's like a gel kind of texture, so it's super light and it absorbs super quickly. So that's the skincare routine that I've been using for the past 3 or 4 months. That's another thing I wanted to point out, is that when you are trying new skincare, you should not expect it to work from like one day to the other, or to see like a night and day results in like a week. It's gonna take time. It took me about a month to see results on my skin, so you just have to be patient and have to be consistent, and I promise you that you are going to love the results. So yes, these are all the Orndinary products that I wanted to talk to you about today. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below and I'll make sure to reply. I will link all these products and also the website down in the description. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so you can form a part of this butterfly family. We're almost 15,000 people on this channel, and I'm so excited. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. So thank you very much for hanging with me, for watching this video. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!